When clutter piles up, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From old furniture and broken appliances to renovation debris and yard waste, junk takes up valuable space and drains your energy. Many Austin residents face this challenge, especially with busy lifestyles and limited time. The good news is that hiring a professional junk removal company can transform what feels like an impossible task into a stress-free solution. Convenience that fits your schedule. One of the biggest benefits of hiring a junk removal company is convenience. Instead of spending your weekends hauling unwanted items, professionals handle everything for you. Most companies offer flexible scheduling to fit your availability, whether you need a same-day pickup or a weekend appointment. In Austin, where traffic and parking can add extra headaches, this convenience is priceless. Junk removal experts know how to navigate local routes efficiently and load items quickly, saving you from multiple trips to donation centers or disposal sites. Time savings that add up. DIY junk hauling often requires renting a truck, lifting heavy items, and figuring out proper disposal rules. Each step takes time, and mistakes can create delays. A junk removal team streamlines the entire process in just a few hours. By outsourcing the work, you free up time for more important things, whether it's focusing on your career, spending time with family, or simply enjoying all that Austin has to offer. Stress reduction through professional help. Clutter causes stress, both mentally and physically. Looking at piles of junk every day can make you feel unproductive and overwhelmed. The heavy lifting and decision-making involved in DIY removal add even more pressure. Hiring a professional company eliminates that burden. Trained crews know how to safely move bulky items without damaging your property. They also provide peace of mind by ensuring that everything is properly sorted, donated, recycled, or disposed of according to Austin's regulations. Eco-friendly and responsible disposal. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability. But figuring out how to recycle or donate items on your own can be confusing and time-consuming. Professional junk removal services take care of this for you. Many companies partner with local charities, recycling centers, and donation facilities. This means your items can find a second life instead of ending up in a landfill. From electronics to furniture, professionals make eco-conscious decisions so you don't have to worry about compliance. Safe and efficient heavy lifting. Removing large items like couches, refrigerators, or construction debris can be dangerous without the right equipment or experience. Injuries from lifting or improper handling are common in DIY junk removal. A junk removal crew arrives with the tools, trucks, and manpower needed to handle the job safely. They work quickly and carefully, ensuring that your home, driveway, and walls stay damage-free during the process. Cost-effective in the long run. While DIY junk hauling may seem cheaper at first, costs can add up quickly. Truck rentals, fuel, landfill fees, and the value of your time all contribute to hidden expenses. Professional junk removal provides a clear, upfront price. When you consider the time saved, stress avoided, and risks reduced, hiring a company often proves to be the more cost-effective choice. Conclusion: living in Austin means balancing a busy lifestyle with a desire for clean, open spaces. Hiring a junk removal company allows you to reclaim your home or office without the hassle of doing it yourself. From saving hours of labor and avoiding stress to ensuring eco-friendly disposal, the benefits are clear. Instead of letting clutter take control, let professionals handle the heavy lifting, so you can enjoy peace of mind, more free time, and a cleaner living space.